Meaning of evanescence.
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 Evanescence. Evanescence refers to something that gradually disappears or fades away, often leaving little to no trace behind. This could apply to physical objects, emotions, memories, or even people themselves. It suggests a sense of fleeting or transitory nature, where things are impermanent and subject to change. The result of evanescence can be a feeling of loss or nostalgia for something that once existed but is now gone, as well as an awareness of the impermanence of existence itself.